Hello everybody, good afternoon, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So we have our press here. We're going to be doing U-joints and things like that, possibly tomorrow if people feel like it. Really hot here right now. We're getting a good heat wave, so none of us really want to be outside too much. But question on our video here, I'll let you take over. Our rear axles out of our 60 hearse in case anybody's just tuning in.
We got the housings finally off. They just they're just a real snug fit on the outer part of the bearing. Depending on logistics, whether we can even get any, the bearings feel real nice. There's no flat spots or anything, so whether we'll be replacing them or not. The car is a low mileage car, so there's probably not a problem with them. But something that was interesting that we found, if anybody knows why they put a scraper in there, a little spring-loaded rides against this outer keeper. Don't know what it does or what it's for. It's not connected to anything. It's just
very peculiar. Yeah. Very peculiar.
It's kind of strange. Never seen one before.
Yeah. So anyway, that was kind of our interesting find for the day on these. But yeah, probably actually not going to be redoing the bearings after all, because we just had nothing but problems finding them. The ones that I showed you guys in the video the other day, I'll tag that video in the end of this one in case you guys missed it.
For a normal sedan.
Yeah, those are for a normal sedan, which, you know, I kind of figured, again, commercial chassis, very hard to find things for, but
we do have a number.
Yeah, we have a number on these now. But again, though, if you think that they're good, I mean, we'll just roll with it, you know, literally.
I don't feel anything wrong with them. I mean, and we always have the tools now that we know how to replace them.
Yeah. So anyway, that's kind of our little update for today. Just more cleaning and things like that. Hopefully next weekend, if everybody's off work and around, we will most likely be putting the rear brakes back together, I hope. And possibly installing our gas tank, which I can also link that video. We have a nice brand new gas tank. We need to put the sending unit in it and get that all put back up. So anyway, that's our update for today. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Take care.